7 million people actively looking for a job. There are also millions of Americans who have simply given up on even trying to look for a job. But still, companies are complaining that they can't get the people they need. There is one reason that has been used time and time again to explain all of this.
A range of companies are looking at how to close the skills gap.
Just a skill gap.
A skills gap.
Yep, the skills gap.
Ah, yes, the age-old cliche for lazy companies not to hire someone even though they need to fill the position. I'm sure we all heard of this line before in our job hunting days. Sorry, but you don't have enough experience. And in turn, we will say, well, maybe if you hired me, I could get the experience needed. What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. In a simpler term, the skill gap describes the discrepancy between the skills a particular role requires and the skills employees and potential employees have. Currently, companies are still using this power phrase when looking over resumes and even questioning the applicant about the gaps in their employment. Well, I've been looking for another job within that 3 months gap. So how do we fix this skill gap and get that job position? It starts with a good employer with empathy and willing to invest into that employee. Once again, with a smart company, they recognize and question the skill gap, but also look into the other qualifications this applicant may have, such as soft skills, teamwork, collaboration skills, along with autonomous work ethic. So even if the applicant is a little inexperienced in the position they're going for, a smart company will rely on upskilling and reskilling of that individual, and this is one way on how to fix your skill gap. Some skill gap examples could be adaptability and flexibility, missing creativity and innovation, technical know-how, attention to details. Keep in mind, these are simple but crucial skill sets to have that can easily be obtained within the workplace. When it comes to a skill gap at the workplace, meaning there is no upskilling or reskilling for your current position, can pretty much lead to a dead-end job. Plus, being there 3 to 5 years with no current training on your position will leave you antiquated if you were to leave or if the company folded. There are ways on how to fix your skill gap when you're at your workplace, such as asking management about upskilling and reskilling. Are there any training courses, certification training, or research? You can also go as far as to asking co-workers from your department and other departments as well about job functions. Listen in on conversations and try to make yourself a part of it as well to get the inside scoop. Lend yourself out to help others in other departments. To learn a new skill set, not all the time, but sometimes helping out requires training or certification, and sometimes companies will get the right person certified to help out in that department from time to time. I know some of us love to come in to work and do the same thing day in and day out to get the paycheck without ever learning anything new. But think of the effect it will have when it's time to move on. That could be devastating. Many thanks for taking some time to check out this quick tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. I also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below done, and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams. And they also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out the thumbnails that's floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.